Hey guys, so today I'm here and I'm going to be showing you guys some of my favorite products I haven't been able to stop using so far for August, and I'd figure I'd give you guys a share. First things first is this ColourPop foundation. This is the No Filter foundation in the shade Fair 10. There is a lighter shade than this, but this one's actually just a slight bit too light for me, but I feel like in the wintertime it'll be perfect. I just add a little extra bronzer and all that, and it works great. Right now I have the Flower Beauty on because I'm still testing it out, but I really love this foundation. It should be such a great deal. It's only $12. It's a really good foundation. It has a pump. I just really love this foundation. I have a few ColourPop products, by the way. Next is this ColourPop Cream Gel Liner in the shade Swerve. I got this all in my waterline right now. It is just the nicest, blackest liner, and it lasts for so long. I plan on buying more of this shade and also more in other colors because it's honestly such a great formula. I really love this eyeliner, so really recommend it. Next, this is kind of an oldie but a goodie. I've been using a lot of the ColourPop Flexitarian Super Shock Cheek Highlighter, which looks like this. I have it on right now. Hopefully you guys can see it. It's super glowy, and oh my god, it's so good. Like, I just love it so much. I've been even using it as like an underbrow highlight, on a nose highlight, even just kind of like touching it and dabbing it in like certain places, like on my cupid's bow and all that. It's just such a good highlighter. I highly recommend this, especially if you're like fair to light. This is a really nice blinding highlight without it giving you a weird cast or anything. Again, this is in Flexitarian. Really love this. I try the shade Monster because it looks so pretty. It's got like a pink reflect in it, and I am down with that. I know a lot of people are over that, but I don't mind, and I would love to try that, so that's on my list to try soon. Next, this is an eyeshadow shadow pot. This is the only one I got. This is the Tarte Top Yacht Chrome Paint Shadow Pot, and guys, I love this. Like, as you can see, I've been really getting my use out of it. You can see that it's kind of love this. This is so blinding. Definitely recommend using your finger. You just can't get as good of pigment unless using your finger, so I like using my pinky and going in. I used this the other day, and a lot of people were like, what is on your eyes? It was this super in your face, shattery, like just so shimmery, and this, it just pops. Like, it's so beautiful. I haven't tried the other ones, but I definitely really recommend this one. It is so gorgeous. Next, I did just film a Worth the Hype video on this, but I do want to include it. It is the Fenty Beauty Contour Stick in the shade Amber. I won't stay on this too long. You can watch that whole Worth the Hype video. Really love this. I have it on today. Blends out super nice. It is the perfect contour shade if you are super fair. Rihanna definitely did a great job with this, and I can't wait to try more products from her, and I love this packaging. So sleek, so pretty, and I love how it's like not too bulky. I can fit it in any of my drawers. She just did an all-around perfect job with this, so I love this product. Next, I know this is controversial, but sorry, I like it anyway. This is the Kat Von D Super Brow, and this is in the shade Scarlet, as you can see. I've really been getting into mine a lot. I do plan on buying another one of these soon when this starts to get more empty. I love the red. It's what I got in now. It matches my hair so nicely, and I just really like how my brows look. They last super long. They don't feel gross or crunchy. I just really love this brow pomade. It's just awesome. I think even when I have normal colored hair, I'll probably continue to buy her pomade because I really like it. So I do wish though that she would come out with the pencils that she has in colors like this, because I really love working with an eyebrow pencil, but I still love this formula. Alright, next are two palettes that I've been having so much fun with so far for August. One is a throwback. This is the Kylie Cosmetics, the purple palette. It's got the mirror and all that. This is what the palette looks like here. It's what I have in my eyes today. I've just been having so much fun with this palette. Like, I liked it to begin with, but lately I've been like really having a really like good time with this palette and having a lot of fun and creating like really cute different looks. So I've been absolutely loving this. I actually really recommend this palette. I think if you like purple shades and tones and stuff, it's so perfect, especially Halloween's coming. Do some purple looks, and then you also got your neutrals too, so you don't have to be too bold with it. But I've been loving this palette as of lately, and I can't seem to put it down, which is actually really great, so definitely wanted to share. Next is the ColourPop and Kathleen Lights collab. This is the Zodiac palette. Mine is so messy. Sorry. I absolutely love this palette. The Sagittarius is like one of my favorite eyeshadow shades ever. I just love it. I love the Gemini. It's also one of my favorites. The Aquarius, it's a little bit, like, you have to build this up, but you can get it to intensity. And the Pisces, I think, is just perfect. It's like the next stepped up version in that Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. That bottom teal shade, it's like a little bit stepped up from that, and I'm living for it. Absolutely love it. And I love these like matte Taurus and the Virgo shades. Just this whole palette is just so stunning. The other day I did a really cool look where I took some of the Capricorn, and it's like a black and it's got this gold reflect glitter, and I put that on my lid. I also had some of the Taurus and the Virgo in the crease, and I put the Pisces like in the middle, and I sprayed my brush and patted it on. It looked so good. I'm gonna do that again though, so you guys can see it in a video, because I really love, like, I love the way that look came out. I just really love this palette. Honestly, I think this is one of ColourPop's best palettes. There's a few other ColourPop palettes I would like to try. They're just so great for the price that lately I've been finding myself like looking away from those high-end palettes and just looking at ColourPop. I really love how their shadows perform, and I'm not spending $40, $50 on something that might not work or has been back and forth, where these guys I feel like are always consistent. They're always great and they're affordable. So love ColourPop. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I just wanted to give you a brief overview of some of the products I've been loving. But yeah, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. Let me know down below what are your favorite ColourPop products, because I'd love to look at them and check them out, and I'd really appreciate it. Alright, thanks guys.